Okay, December, I think it's 18th, most snow we've ever seen. I have to take the measuring tape out. Way taller than Abby is, so let's see what she looks like in the snow that is taller than her. Go this way. Go that way. Come on. Abby. Abby, go get the snow. Go get the squirrel. Go get it. Oh. It's up to my knees. That's our previous path. Poor little.